Hello, please subscribe to my channel Digital Infoline and press this bell icon to view my latest videos.
Introducing the Xiaomi Smart Air Purifier 4, a powerful and smart solution for improving indoor air quality. This air purifier delivers fast purification, cleaning a standard room in just 7 minutes. With a clean air delivery rate of 400 cubic meters per hour, it effectively covers up to 516 square feet, ensuring fresh air in larger spaces. The Xiaomi Smart Air Purifier 4 is the world's first TUV allergy care certified purifier. It guarantees reliable allergen control, making it safe and trusted for families. Plus, it is RoHS certified for environmentally conscious users. This purifier features a triple-layer filtration system, including a primary filter, true HEPA, and activated carbon. It removes 99.99% of fine particles, including viruses. The 360-degree air intake ensures uniform purification throughout the room. The built-in negative air ionizer neutralizes airborne pollutants like dust and pollen, keeping the air fresher and healthier. It's a perfect solution for maintaining a clean and pleasant indoor environment. Control the air purifier effortlessly using the Xiaomi Home app, voice commands via Alexa or Google Assistant, or the included remote. The LED display shows real-time air quality, and it consumes just 0.8 kWh per day, making it energy efficient. Compact and lightweight, this purifier measures 25 by 25 by 55.5 centimeters and weighs just 5.6 kilograms. With a whisper-quiet noise level of 32.1 decibels and a powerful 30-watt motor, it's both efficient and unobtrusive. With its fast and effective air purification, certified allergen protection, and smart control options, the Xiaomi Smart Air Purifier 4 is an excellent choice for cleaner, healthier air. Upgrade your air quality today. Check out link in description and get up to 25% off on Xiaomi Smart Air Purifier 4.